Hey everyone, it's Lynn here from Time Concept. Say hello to LED Solar Illumination. Our LED solar illumination products are contemporary-looking plastic spheres and a fun mushroom shape that runs solely on energy from the sun. The light comes with a remote control and features low power consumption LEDs for maximum battery operating time, color-changing LEDs where you can pick from 16 different colors, 4 different modes, fade, strobe, flash, and smooth, and also a brightness control that allows you to adjust the brightness of each different product in your yard. The batteries are included in the product and must be charged in full sun for approximately 7 hours prior to use. Each LED solar illumination comes with a detailed instruction booklet on how to use, and we encourage everyone to read this prior to using the product. So why not check out our LED solar illumination? Using clusters individually, your house is sure to be the talk of the block. Bye now.